Robots logged over 14,000 surgical procedures in just 3 months, and the outcomes data is in. Medtronic's Hugo system reported a 23% drop in post-operative complications for colorectal surgery. First time a second-generation surgical robot has produced peer-reviewed results at this scale. In Amazon's fulfillment network, 750,000 robotic units are now deployed globally. But the real shift is what they are doing. Stowing individual items, a task considered automation-resistant just 2 years ago. On Texas's I-45, Waymo, Via, and Aurora are running fully driverless freight. No safety driver, no backup. Kodiak Robotics just secured a $45 million U.S. Army contract. Government money that rewrites liability law. The Kodiak Army deal matters beyond the contract itself. Insurance underwriters and legislators are watching. The legal architecture for autonomous freight, who pays when something goes wrong, is being drafted right now. Back inside Amazon's warehouses, new humanoid robots handle variable grip and spatial judgment that previously required human hands. Stow time per unit is down 25%. Efficiency is measurable. The human cost is more complicated. A May 2026 Brookings report found 60% of workers in robotic warehouses had their roles changed, not eliminated. But median pay in those facilities grew just 1.2%, against a 4.3% national average. The jobs stayed. The raises did not. The EU is already moving. Its proposed Automated Workplace Transparency Directive would require companies to disclose how automation affects pay and progression. It is a direct response to exactly this data. One number to hold: Hugo's 23% complication reduction, peer-reviewed at scale in real hospitals. That is the threshold crossed. Physical AI is not arriving. It is already mid-shift. Follow AI Daily News for weekly breakdowns on what is actually deploying. This is for information only. Always verify with trusted sources.